how to remove background noise using Audacity. Step 1. Find a gap in your speaking and highlight that portion. Step 2. Go into Effects, Noise, Noise Removal. This is how it looks on a recent version of Audacity. If you have an older version of Audacity, you'll see the Noise Removal tool directly under the Effects menu item shown here. Step 3. Click Get Noise Profile. Step 4. Select the entire track. Step 5. Call up the noise reduction window, just like you did earlier, but this time click OK. That's it. I hope this helped you.